Now we will remove the covers, guys. This box consists of two parts. We have smaller cover and the larger one underneath. To remove this smaller cover, we'll have to carefully push on the larger one underneath, approximately in this area, and at the same time you have to kind of pry it, gently pry it open like this, and then it will come out, it will slide out. This is the bottom part. To remove the upper part, you will need to slide it down. So I will carefully push like this, and on the right. So we have two clips that hold the large piece in place, and this is where they will go. There is one bracket right here and another one on the right side. Now I will quickly demonstrate how this bottom portion gets inside. So you'll see two openings, one on the right side and one on the left side. You will have to slide in the small cover inside, so align it so this opening is in the middle. These two clips or hooks have to go inside like this on both sides. Then you push it up all the way. There's another small hook on both sides in the middle, and the small one on the bottom. So when you guys do it, you will have to again slide it in first, make sure that all hooks go in. Maybe a little bit tricky. This will be useful if you guys want to reinstall this cover in the future, and approximately like this it will go back into place. You have to make sure that the clips get pushed in like this. When you install the second section, you can partially remove the bottom one. This will give you a better idea where the openings for the hooks are on both sides. So one is good. To find the second one on the other side. Now we need to make sure that the bottom clips go in. Now you can snap it in, guys, and push in all the way. And only now we managed to fully insert the upper hooks, including the bottom clips, and the whole cover is in place. I will show you guys again where we have all our covers put on together. As you can see, there are no gaps, and this is how it is supposed to be on all sides. And the trick, like we just explained, is you have to partially remove the bottom section and do the assembly of both pieces when it is partially removed, and only after that you'll be able to easily install the second cover into the first one.